Hello, this is the third video of a series for Google How-Tos in the classroom, especially for reading and writing. In this video, we'll focus on using Google Docs for brainstorming, outlining, and other pre-writing and reading activities through graphic organizers. I'll mention Google Slides a bit as well, but we will go over Google Slides in depth in the next video. Students and teachers alike will find these tips helpful for writing. Let's talk about brainstorming and outlining. A lot of times this is really helpful for both the reading and writing process, so here are a few easy ways to incorporate brainstorming. As you can see, I have several graphic organizers here. These were not created by me, but by ditchthattextbook.com. I've copied them to my drive, and a link to access them is in the description of this video. If you'd like to use any of them, simply open the link and click Make a Copy. These will then appear in your Google Drive. I like sharing graphic organizers with others, whether that be a few friends through email or a whole classroom through links to my course shell, so that we can all work on one together. To see how to share items in Google, watch my last video. Here is an example of a shared graphic organizer. You can see we will be comparing and contrasting two authors together. Anyone will then be able to come back to this slide as they are writing their papers and view what we had brainstormed. I also like sharing copies of graphic organizers to slides. I can then share my slides with students and assign each of them one slide. For example, here are slides that will ask students to think about characters in a book we're reading. Once they're finished, I will ask them to present their slides. This can have a number of use cases, from vocabulary to outlining, even to parts of speech magnetic poetry, depending on which graphic organizer you want to use. Visit ditchthattextbook.com for more resources like this. One more thing I'd like to mention for writing rough drafts is in Google Docs, and it's called Add-Ons, which can be really helpful for writing a paper. Add-ons are tools that can be used in tandem with Google Docs to improve writing. A few that I use for writing are speech recognition, which allows speech to text, sentence separator, which allows me to see all of my sentences separated out for easy editing, and word cloud generator, which helps me to see which terms and themes I'm using the most. There are plenty more add-ons, so explore these options by clicking Get Add-Ons. While looking around, make sure to check for possible prices and also check reviews for the add-ons to see if it will work for you.